EPA meteorologist Bobby Martin with your outlook for the weekend, March 6th and 7th, 2021. We're going to have a continuation of the cold weather that we've had over the past 2 days. It's going to bleed right here into the weekend. I think these are the last 2 days, though, where we're going to have the below average temperatures. We're going to be stuck in the 30s in most areas today. And the image behind me is trying to simulate partly to mostly cloudy sky. We have a little bit of a little disturbance off to our north on the shown here on the GFS. It's sitting over New York State, and some of the clouds will stream in here this afternoon, actually late morning in this afternoon, with that disturbance. But there's no precipitation expected with it. But as you get over the NAM simulated satellite, this is looking at this morning, and you can see generally sunny skies at that point. But then you're going to have these clouds streaming in during the afternoon. Again, this is not going to be a total cloud cover, but it will give you a look like something like what's behind me here, and you're going to have mostly cloudy skies at some points during the course of the afternoon, and then once you get to the evening, that goes away, and there's no issues with cloud cover anymore. So just a little bit of mix up there today with the clouds moving in, but then when they clear out tonight, and then we are mostly sunny on Sunday with mostly sunny skies. When we've talked about this the last couple of days about this extended dry period, this is going to continue through the end of the period. I think once we get into later in the week, we have an opportunity, especially Friday, of getting our first measurable precipitation, but it doesn't look like a whole lot as it looks right now. The big story in the week ahead is going to be the moderation of temperatures. Monday, we're going to start going back to near average or very close to average for this time of year across the region. And then we turn on the jets Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, maybe even Friday, where we have temperatures that are above average, and in some cases well above average, especially Wednesday and Thursday of next week. I think are your peak heating days for that during this stretch. So here's the trough over the weekend that's sitting over our region. That is going to be lifting out here on Monday, just starting to, though. You still see some height lines that are, 540 height line is still sitting over top of us, so we're not turning on the jets yet here on Monday until that pushes through. And you see the red lines down here, the higher heights, pressing into the region here on Tuesday. That's going to give us a continuation of mostly sunny skies and temperatures jumping up well into the 50s to near 60 degrees, in some places lower 60s already on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, I think, is the area-wide day where we see except for maybe the highest elevations of the Northeast PA, you'll have areas getting to 60 or above, and in some cases, middle 60s, both Wednesday and Thursday. There is a cold front that's going to be coming toward the region on Thursday. I don't think it quite gets here. This is the GFS that was originally faster, bringing this in to our region on Thursday already with a warm front. It has now joined the European model into thinking that it is going to hold off. Okay, so this precipitation holds off until Friday, and the cold front comes through. And once it does, there's not a lot of precipitation with it, as you can see. It's just some light shower activity. There's not a whole lot of precipitation. So after being dry for 7 to 10 days, we're really not getting much in the way of rainfall here by the time we get to Friday, when that finally does move through the region. And that should move through at some point on Friday, later Friday or Friday evening, it looks like, with those few showers in association with that frontal boundary. But the temperatures are going to be the big story. Again, Tuesday, you're going to get up to close to 60 degrees, and the central areas will be upper 50s or thereabout to near 60. When you get down to further south, you're 60, 62-ish. That's on Tuesday. Once you get to Wednesday, these are the highs on Wednesday. You're getting into the middle 60s here. So low to mid 60s across most of the region here on Wednesday, and pretty much identical here by the time we get to Thursday, with those same areas getting into the middle 60s. And I wouldn't be surprised if somebody approaches 70 here. It won't be out of the question. Not universally modeled right now to do that, but we'll see. It's going to be awfully close. Our local forecast, Southeast PA, we have some temperatures on some of those days that are getting pretty close to 70. So it's going to, either way, even if it just misses it, it's going to be very warm for this time of year, certainly, but certainly warm under normal circumstances as well. And then we do take a step back here on Friday, but it's still going to be above average with temperatures in the middle 50s, it looks like, with that frontal boundary trying to work its way through, and you have the clouds and maybe a few showers hanging around, keeps temperatures in check. But either way, all in all, this is going to be the trend in the coming week. Get rid of at one extreme to the other, from below average temperatures this weekend, near average on Monday, and then we are above average straight through the end of the forecast period for the next 7 days. I'm EPA meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is your outlook for the weekend, March 6th and 7th, 2021. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.